And hello, my all dear friends. Today I am going to talk about good and the annoying things that our neighbors do. People have different mentality or exist in everyone's life. Some are having positivity in their minds and some are having negativity. I found a lot of narrow minded people in my neighborhood. If I want to do something unique, my parents don't have any problem. But some people in my surroundings have uh, lot of problems uh, uh, recently in previous year when I was starting my music classes. So one of a person come to my parents and asked that what is she doing nowadays. So they told that she is taking music classes from Rohini. Then he said that that is not a good field for girls. For girls, he suggested to do some government jobs preparation like UPSC and ICS, etc. So I don't like those peoples who interrupts in anyone life. It can change completely. It can change my completely life, because if anyone interrupt, so my so our mind attracts towards them, and just thinking just thinking so on things. So if I selected that field, so I chosen for myself, not for themselves. So I don't like those people who just giving suggestions like that. If I am talking about good things in my neighborhood, so that is I have so many. I In my neighborhood, some people are very close to me, and some people are very close to me. If I having any hesitation to share something with my parents related to my future and something else, so I can share with them, and they help me and solve the problem, and they help me and solve the problem, and they can support me for my good career. And if I needed something, so they can also, so they provided me that they don't want to they don't want to they don't want lack in anything in my career. So they already they already supported always me. And if if there was any party, any wedding will held, so we all celebrate the occasion like a family members, like a complete family. And in the last I conclude that different peoples are existing on the earth. So some are good, some are bad. So I want to say that in the last, that we all should live together, support each other, listen to each other, and give suggestions to suggestions also, by which we can get our goals and get success in our lives. So thank you so much.